That's it right there. It's moving.
Baby. And I'm going to freeze it. I actually want more of a sideline view.
You see?
This is fine. That down there. And then we've got a nice head up there. And what we would like to do is get both a good picture of the head, which I've got here. So what I want to do is a really nice, they're going to be very accurate measurement of the head.
At least we know it's only one.
Yeah, it's only one. It appears to be only one. So it's saying that you're 14 weeks, 5 days, which is what your uterus feels like. And then we print again for you. And then we unfreeze. And then we'll try to get, that's a face.
Too,
yeah, it was. And there's a little chin, a little pointy chin. You're just seeing the skull part. So there's an arm. Can you see the hand? And the heart? And the movement? See the little hand moving all over the place? It's cool. The yoga teacher is always like, that's cool, isn't it? Now we're looking like up at the bottom. This is legs and a torso. Yeah, thighs actually, little thigh bones. Okay, critter. And here's heart. And there's a little bladder action down there, actually. You can see a bladder for a second. There's the bladder. Pretty funny. I like the baby. That's from the back. We're looking at the baby from the back so you can see the spine. See, as we move, the spine running all the way here up to the head. And I would just like to get a slightly different angle, but baby may not cooperate just for the crown on flank. Head again, and with this angle. He's kind of stretched out. I don't know if you can see, there's some feet down here instead of being curled up, kind of like
he's like laying down.
I would like, yeah, it's kind of, it's partly the angle, and that's how he says he. So there's a nice head, ventricles, perfect sagittal suture that runs down here. Come on, baby. Come on, be good. Perform for us. This is placenta. See how fluffy? And that's good. You want a great big fluffy placenta. There's your bladder. The baby's getting big enough that it's like hard to get the whole baby in one frame. Nice fluffy placenta. Head's going to end up being our best measurement. See, because we can see bottom, feet, heart, head, but we're not getting everything in one frame. We'll just add a little bit more goop and see if we can do that.